Most people are not taking care of their lawn sprayer very well at all. In fact, I'm often asked in the comments, how do I clean my sprayer between uses? Now this is a really important topic because if you're spraying things like weed killer and then fertilizer, you don't want to mix those things together. So keeping it clean is very important. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I do it to make sure that I don't have problems and that my sprayer lasts as long as it can. Number one mistake most people make with sprayers is they leave stuff in them overnight. Sprayers are meant to be used, and as soon as the job's done, you to empty it out, clean it, and put it away properly if you want it to last. Do not store anything in it for overnight or longer periods of time. Earlier today I was spraying some tenacity. It had the blue dye in it, and you can see here with the sprayer it's got a blue tinge to the tank. So now I'm ready to begin my process. And the first thing I do is really easy. I just spray the outside of the sprayer down. Now the reason I do this is because there's always a little bit of residue on the outside of the tank or the wand, so I just give it a quick rinse to get everything off the outside. Fill the tank halfway with water. Now I should note that this tank was empty. I used all the tenacity on my lawn and I didn't have anything left. You should always use all the product or dispose of it in a proper method, but I typically aim to have nothing left so that when I do this part, I'm just filling it to halfway with water. And this is what's often called as a first rinse, and this is critical when you're going to clean your sprayer out. So we'll just shake this up and then we're going to pour this out. Now I'm going to use a commercially available tank cleaner. The good news is this stuff is really cheap. You only need a little bit of it to clean this tank, and the bottle lasts a long time. And I'm going to pour this in, and then I'm going to top it up with water until I hit just about the top of the tank. Now if you used something that's particularly sticky, even some organic products have a lot of oil in them, you might want to let this soapy solution sit for several hours or even overnight. But in most cases, things like tenacity and other fertilizers only need to be filled up and then just have the soapy solution agitated, and that's going to be more than enough to clean the tank properly. So just shake the tank up a bit to circulate the soap around the inside of the tank, and then we want to move on to cleaning the wand. Now that's very easy. If you've got a battery powered unit, just turn it on, or if you've got a pump sprayer, just give it a few pumps and start to squirt the solution through. Now you'll see that the blue dye is still there from the stuff I had in the tank prior, but then it will quickly turn to clear and I'll know that the chemical or the soap gets through the lines, and those will be clean as well. And now I just need to dump out that soapy solution, and I am going to fill up the container one last time with clean water. This is the third and final rinse. Now for years it's always been accepted that you want to do a triple rinse method when you're cleaning sprayers, except the boost that I give it is by using that soap in the middle, you're certain that you're getting everything out, and it really does a good job. So when you're done filling it up, you're just going to cap it up, give it one final shake, and you should run that clean water through the lines as well, and then just dump it out and you're ready to finally put your sprayer away. So if this seemed like a ton of work, it really isn't. It only takes about 2 to 3 minutes, and now when I put my sprayer away, I know it's going to be ready to work the next time I need it. So you're going to spend good money on equipment. There's no reason to waste it. So this is how I take care of my sprayer every time I use it, and I really have had no problems over the years, especially when I do a lot of work. It's nice to have that sprayer always be reliable. So I hope this video gave you some information. Hopefully you learned something. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and stay tuned for more videos coming up.